Hi everyone, my name is Henry and you are most welcome to this presentation. Remember that one of our main objectives at TM Education is to promote and popularize electronics and technology related knowledge across the world. What else can I tell you? Most especially in areas where access to proper training is limited. But remember that this initiative was launched by Transform Outsourced Electronic, one of the leading global distributors of electronic components around the world. So you are most welcome to this presentation. In today's presentation with me, I have some components with me. I have a solar panel. I have an LED. And with me, I have a breadboard. This is a breadboard. I have a set of jumpers. I have a motor with a propeller. I also have a multimeter with me. This is a digital multimeter. In today's experiment, we are going to look at the relationship between voltage and illuminance. What is illuminance? Illuminance is the total amount of light intensity falling on an object. So with me here, I have a solar panel, and we all know that a solar panel is a device that converts light energy into electrical energy. So I am going to use this solar panel and light up my LED, and we see how solar energy is converted into another form of energy. So we shall perform a simple experiment so that we can see and learn and have fun while doing our experiment. So with me, I'm going to start making my connections. So remember, on my LED I have the anode and the cathode, so I have to ensure that I make correct connections for my LED to light up. So as you can see already, on my breadboard, I have two LEDs. One is lighting and another one is not giving light. Why? Because it is not connected. Just for us to understand, to know that the solar panel is providing energy to the LED, as you can see. So with me, I told you I had a motor with a propeller. So let us try to connect this motor to our solar panel and see whether our solar panel is able to run the motor. But remember, on our breadboard, we have the positive line and the negative line. So we have to ensure that our connections are proper. So on my solar panel, I have a red terminal, which is the positive. So I'll put in a positive line, and then the black terminal, put it in the negative line. So I get my motor, insert it there and there, then have my jumpers, red terminal to red, and then black, which is the negative, to negative. As you can see, now my motor is able to run. So you can try this at home and you see how easy it is and how fun it is. So we are going to determine the relationship between voltage and illuminance. And remember, we said that illuminance is the total amount of light intensity that falls on an object. So with me, I have my solar panel, I have my digital multimeter, as you can see it. I also have a breadboard. But now what I'm going to do, let me make the connections and see what happens. So I have the positive terminal, connect to the positive terminal of the solar panel, and then to that of a multimeter, and then the negative terminal. So as you can see now, our voltage now is 6.63. What happens if I try to cover my solar panel? By me covering the solar panel, it means I'll be reducing the light intensity to the solar panel. So if I do that, my voltage goes down. So in conclusion, illuminance and voltage, the higher the illuminance, the higher the voltage, and the lower the illuminance, or the lower the light intensity, the lower the voltage. So thank you so much for joining me in this experiment. And remember that at TME Education, we say, together we will go further. Thank you so much for watching.